If you're looking for a quick way to spiff up your living room, bedroom, or office, this is one way to do it. These are chair covers. They do come in different patterns and colors. It's a very stretchable fabric. It's basically a slip-on. So you can slip it on, and if it gets dirty, you can always wash them. These are leather chairs, and you can see there's a little damage here. So this is a nice, quick fix, and it makes a massive difference without spending loads of money. So these are also slip-on covers. I did a video on how to actually put this on. Very cool. I mean, these are about 15-year-old couches, and the leather came off, but you can't really tell because of such a good job that we did on this one. Same exact pattern as the chairs, right? So definitely a quick way to spiff up your living space. So yeah, I'm definitely happy with the result. So there are different patterns for this. So you can take it off. You can take it off, put it in the dryer, stretchable fabric, and very easy and quick fix of your space. Thanks for tuning in and watching.
Don't throw out your couch until you watch this video. If you have an old couch, whether it's leather, fabric, if it's stained, if it's ripped, if it's torn, as long as it doesn't smell, I say keep it and get yourself a slip-on cover such as this. Just kind of lounging, doing my own thing. No wrinkles.